Welcome to my channel. Inkjet versus laser printer. Which one should you buy in 2025? Point 1. Cost up front. Inkjet printers are cheaper. You walk into a store, you'll see one for like 50-60 bucks. Lasers? Easily double or triple that. But don't be fooled, the upfront price doesn't tell the whole story. Point 2. Cost over time. This is where lasers win. Inkjet cartridges dry up, they run out fast, and replacements are expensive. Laser toner looks pricey at first, but it lasts way longer. Over a year, you usually spend less on a laser if you print a lot. Point 3. Print quality for photos. Inkjet kills it here. If you're printing photos, color-heavy stuff, or things like brochures, Inkjet just looks better. Sharper colors, better gradients. Laser printers are okay for color, but they're not winning beauty contests. Point 4. Print quality for text. Laser all the way. If you just need crisp black and white documents, letters, resumes, stuff like that, laser printers make inkjets look sloppy. Text is razor sharp. Point 5. Speed. Laser printers are fast. You can print like 20 to 30 pages a minute on even a mid-range one. Inkjet? You'll be sitting there waiting while it spits out one page at a time. So if you're cranking out reports, go laser. Point 6. Reliability. Inkjet man, they clog. If you don't print often, the ink dries in the nozzles, and you end up wasting time running cleaning cycles or just buying new cartridges. Laser printers can sit for weeks, even months, and still fire up just fine. Point 7. Size and space. Inkjets are smaller. You can throw one on a desk and it won't dominate the space. Lasers are bulkier, especially the ones with color and scanning built in. If you're tight on space, Inkjet is easier to live with. Point 8. Noise. Neither are dead silent, but inkjets make more of that whir-click noise while printing. Lasers are more of a hum and done. Not a huge deal, but if it's sitting next to you in a small office, you'll notice. Point 9. Who should actually buy an inkjet? So if you print photos, color-heavy projects, or you don't print that often but want a cheap upfront cost, inkjet makes sense. But keep in mind, if you leave it sitting for too long, you'll waste money on dried cartridges. Point 10. Who should buy laser? If you're a student, work-from-home person, or small business that prints a ton of documents, laser is the better buy. It's more expensive at the start, but you save money and headaches over time. Final words. So, inkjet versus laser in 2025, it really comes down to how you print. Lots of text? Laser. Lots of photos? Inkjet. Don't overthink it. Match the printer to your actual use, not just the price tag. Thanks for watching.